You don't know how to tingle. J. Perry, Ayanda.
Our life's a battle between what to do and what not. Always confused by what to believe in. Sometimes it feels so right, but yet it's so wrong. Sometimes it feels so wrong, but yet it's so right. You gotta hear your God saying, I'm living for today, 'cause I don't know if I will be around tomorrow. I don't care what they say. I'm doing it my way. I'm doing it my way. Doing my way, let's go.
Every day is the last day, and every single day is my birthday. Everything has a right and a wrong way, but I'm gonna keep doing it my way. Yeah.